All right, we are here with Lisa, and we have this Diane Von Furstenberg Vita Mask Firm and Brighten 1 Metallic Eye Mask. All right. Well, Lisa, you had this on for 10-15 minutes. What did you think?
Not bad.
Not bad? How did it feel?
Feels moisturizing. I don't know about tightening, but...
How does it smell? Does it have a nice odor to it, or no odor? Or?
Not much of an odor.
Okay. Well...
Yeah, not much of an odor, really, yeah. So far, so good. Feels good.
Feels good. Definitely moisturized, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Would you use this again?
Maybe. I don't know if I'd buy it, but...
But you'd use it again, right?
I'd use it if I had it.
Because we have some more. So. You'll be using it again, I'm guessing.
I can.
Yeah. But, yeah, I'll see if I can find a link to this. If I can, I will link it below. If you've ever tried this product, let me know what your experience was with it. And if you have not tried this product, do you typically use eye masks of any kind? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.